Hi guys, it's Friday afternoon and I'm chilling with Yami Gautam and Pulkit Samrat. And guys, welcome to Spotboy. Thank
Hello.
you. So how are you guys doing?
Great. I look
Great.
pretty
Amazing.
she looks handsome.
I like that.
You too.
So thank you very much. And how's your Friday
Have you
looking?
changed your hair or what?
Yes, I've cut my hair.
Yeah. Looks nice.
I'm glad you remember. Thank you.
Yeah.
So what are your
I love
Friday
the lipstick
Friday?
color as well.
Thank you.
Sorry, it's called the
So
lip color
gracious.
now, right? The lip tint. What do you guys call
Anything,
it
lip stain, lip tint,
now?
lipstick.
Lip stain.
Yeah, lip
Stain
gloss.
is on the other lip. It's what is left.
Oh, gross.
It's never like this.
Alright, so it's been an amazing day. I think we have a whole trail of interviews happening and we're excited to be back again.
Lovely, lovely. Well, Spotboy is really happy having you guys.
Thank
So tell me about Jununiyat and the film, the experience. You guys are working again together. So how was it?
How do you think it is? We're really bored, yeah. No, you guys
I'm not. Don't say that. They want to see you again.
No, that's really sweet of you guys because you guys loved us before and that's why we're back with something totally new and we hope you like it. I think you are liking it quite a lot. We can see with the number of
Yeah,
views,
absolutely.
hits that we're getting I think online, which is amazing. So thank you very much. And
You want to say something about Jununiyat?
Ask me something.
Tell me about Jununiyat.
Tell you about
The
Jununiyat.
movie. Yeah.
Jununiyat is it's basically a love story between this Punjabi girl who belongs to Amritsar Khalsa College. She's crazy, fun, bubbly, and very strong-headed, and falls in love with this army guy who is also very strong-headed. And normally, you get to see that opposites attract, but in this one you see similar kind of personalities attracting each other, and that is where the clash of egos also happen. That is what it's very kind of and the conflict is very interesting in the fact that normally a love story is a love story कि लड़का लड़की मिलेंगे या नहीं मिलेंगे, but here the conflict lies in the fact that the girl also belongs to an army background. She's had 3 people in her family who have been to the army, and still her father is not okay with her settling down with an army guy, and which happens in today's time in a lot of middle class families who send their kids to armies, and they still don't want their girls to be a part of the army family, and it's a sad thing, but it does happen today as well. So the passion that both of them, that the limits that both of them go to be together, I think that is what defines Jununiyat as a love story, and it's got some really cool numbers. Speak about the numbers.
yeah, I love talking about the numbers after the release. So again, the most, and why not? Because
Me
it's
too.
the rendition of an amazing number which we've all danced to in all the shadis, especially in Chandigarh, Punjab, and I don't know what Delhi.
Dancing
Yeah,
India as well.
whatever happens
No
in
wedding is
Chandigarh,
complete
Delhi
without that
follows.
song. And now again, no wedding is complete without that song.
Yeah. So, and I think what's amazing about the album is it's got a lot of variety. So we have a club number, your shadi number, which is Nachange. We have a holy song coming up, which is one of really our favorites.
Yeah, I always wanted a holy number to myself. कि
Congratulations.
मैं होली के लिए अपने गाने पे खेलूंगा यार, मैं किसी और के गाने पे क्यों खेलूं? So now अब
Now you
मेरे
have
पास एक
your own
गाना है,
song.
शादी में नाचने के लिए खुद के गाने पे नाचूंगा.
होली पे
अभी
नाचूंगा?
होली पे खुद नाचूंगा, दुखी होऊंगा तो खुद के गाने पे दुखी होऊंगा. So we've got a very romantic track as well, and we've had romantic tracks before as well. So वो भी collection आ गया अभी मेरे पास, एक में तो saxophone भी बजता है, so you know every situation I have a
So
song
is
for
your
myself.
album complete now? Personal wishes and wants.
Mine?
Of course, you got all kind of songs now.
No,
Or did you ever want one?
I
He did.
never wanted one. Actually,
I never wanted a song.
no.
What?
Also, all this is
मैं तो अपने शान में भी अपने गाने सुनता हूँ.
all this is quite a surprise. That's quite nice. I think we're all Indians. We love music. I think just like food, I think music is another passion altogether. And it's amazing that when you have your own numbers.
Lovely. I was gonna ask you this later since you guys mentioned it. So do you wanna hum a tune for us, whichever one you
He
feel?
will. He's an amazing singer. He's,
go for it.
I think he wanted to record also one of his numbers. So why don't you just
Yeah,
go
why
for
not?
it?
Yeah.
Please
Record
do. They're
breaking.
dying to listen to you hum, sing,
The
whatever.
records
Might-
break when I sing.
Might
Let's do it,
die
let's do
after
it.
listening to it.
Okay, let's sing the Nachange Sariya, since
I'll follow.
that's both of our favorites. Okay, let's go. It starts with a girl.
I'm only going to perform. I don't sing.
Ooh.
It starts with a girl, but
I'm not going to sing.
how can I sing Tulsi's voice? Yeah.
It's okay, go for it.
Go for it.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
I'll try Tulsi's voice. पंगड़े देखो इनमें ता कुड़े सो हसीन में ता मेरे है अजब गलबार.
Woo!
Sound better than Tulsi.
Your part?
नचांगे सारी रात सोने वे नचांगे सारी रात सोने वे कर लो थोड़ा सा प्यार सोने वे कर लो थोड़ा सा प्यार. अभी नीरज श्रीधर मुझे मार देंगे इसके बाद.
Lovely, thank you so much. So, any funny incidents or anything that you can remember that stands out from the shoot while shooting the film?
All funny incidents were related to her. Nothing to do with me.
You want to share?
I didn't know they were funny, so maybe he used to be the one laughing. So
Most of the
maybe
times
he
the
would
trainer
know.
would be snatching with bread pakoda.
Yeah, I would hide it under some like pallu or some other ghagra, whatever.
एक शॉट में तो है वो पल्लू के नीचे छुपाया हुआ है ब्रेड पकोड़ा.
See if you've been spotted.
Spot on.
Alright, so since you guys have obviously worked before and now again, are there things that you can predict about each other that's going to happen on the set? Like Yami's going to walk in and she's going to do this before like the shot or...
No, a certain comfort level increases, but that's the great thing about her, that she always amazes you and surprises you with her performance. So there's something always there which you've not experienced before. कि अच्छा अगर मैं ऐसे लाइन बोलूँगा तो oh wow, मतलब I never thought this could be taken as this way as
I
well.
love her reactions right now. She's like, acha, okay.
Yeah.
So that's a sign of a great performer when the performer can every time surprise you with something or the other.
And you have to say anything about it?
Ah.
He's said it enough.
Alright.
No, I think it was amazing to work with, and obviously people talk about they already liked us in Sanam Re, and I think whoever did. And
Your audience, of course, everyone.
did. I think it's and if someone praises any particular actor, but it's not just him, but also your co-actor always responsible for it, because it's always about action reaction and something which is unsaid, something which is just organic, it just happens, and I think it's extremely spontaneous and not someone who really
Are you
follows.
taking a selfie? You're looking at it so lovingly. As you're admiring yourself. I'm
Exactly.
talking to a guy who's holding this cam, this phone, this one.
Aww.
It looks like he's taking a selfie. Are you guys really watching us? Like,
Yeah, are you getting loads of comments also?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Meaning, मुझे क्या मालूम ये selfie?
Alright, so Kimi, will we be seeing you guys again in any upcoming projects or like together?
Nothing in the pipeline so far. But separate, yes.
Okay, yeah. We'd hope so. Which actors would you really like to work with, if not each other, in your future?
I'm
projects?
already working with someone. I think Ritik. He's somebody I think who's worth everything, all the titles that we call him, you know, perfectionist or an amazing dancer or an actor or whatever. He's everything that is being said about him.
Lovely. And who would you like to work with?
It's too late now. Actually, I would have loved to work with Madhubala ji. She was fab. We can never have another Madhubala. We can never have another Madhuri Dixit. I really wish I could have done that. Delhi Vaya Gagra वाला song.
Madhuri is still good.
हाँ तो ऐसा कोई गाना मिल जाए यार.
Ah,
I
we'll
would have
check.
been great.
Alright guys, so now the audience want to know that thing you do to look in or to be in shape.
Through your
That
bread pakoda.
thing which my trainer does, he snatches bread pakoras.
Okay, and Pulkit?
Nothing. I think the most difficult part of staying fit is just getting up off your bed and reaching the gym. That's it. That's the most difficult part. And if you can do that, then you'll always be in shape. It's a part of your lifestyle then.
Okay. So if you guys pout, which I'm sure you've done it quite a bit, so to get the perfect pout.
Pout?
Yeah.
No, I don't like these pouty selfies. You'll
Never-
hardly see.
never take
Even
a
if
pout.
you've seen me in one or two, maybe that's because I've been pushed and pestered for it. I don't like those pouty selfies.
But if you, even that one that you were pushed and pestered for, how did you manage to get a perfect pout then?
I don't know.
Easy?
It's
You want to pout and show us?
no, I don't like pouty selfies.
Have you ever taken a pouty selfie or?
He does it, I think, really.
Ah.
Just you're applying lip stain.
Teach
Yeah,
them.
to yourself, not to somebody else. You can imagine that as well. But that pout will be much longer.
Ooh.
This is small pout.
Well trained. So that's the thing he does. Now the other question is to be instantly camera ready.
I'm always camera ready. I think so.
So you don't have to do anything effortless.
I think so.
Very good. And okay. See.
Wow. Gifted by great parents. Always camera ready, yeah. I think the moment you're comfortable with who you are, you're always camera ready. It's only the inhibition that stops you from being camera ready. There's nothing else that stops you. So if you're comfortable with yourself as and who you are, like I might be having messed up hair early in the morning, but I'm camera ready because I'm okay with it.
Lovely. So to tackle a bad hair day.
A cap.
Ooh.
Or I think a high pony and just like a top knot.
Yeah, tight on
Yeah, tight up.
And for you?
Bad hair day, enjoy it. You don't know when you're going to lose all of that hair.
I love that. Okay, so to deal with an ugly breakout on the face, a pimple, especially for you, I guess, girls.
I think onion juice. Just apply a little bit.
You just
Little
got
bit
a
of juice.
That's how I deal with ugly
sort
people.
of. What about you?
No, I'll call her. Tell me.
Lovely.
Please yaar, kuch batao yaar. Pimple aa gaya, kya lagaun main?
Onion juice. Now you
Yeah,
know.
so now I know. Onion juice, okay.
Lovely. So I'm sure the fans have enjoyed knowing the things you do to fix all of this. Now, you know how your fans are like crazy about you and love you and all of that, and we see great comments on social media, which we're seeing right now as well. But then there are those mean ones that just write some crappy stuff. So how do you deal with that? I have a few that I've picked out from social media, so I just want to know your reactions. So I'll go with Pulkit first. So there was this user, Varun Virat fangirl, who said, "You want to listen to a joke? You're a bad actor, and that's a joke." How would you react to that? Or what's your
Yeah,
reaction to that?
that's actually the thing that I started, yeah. Yeah, that's on my Insta. I posted a picture of mine.
Oh, yeah, I
said,
remember that.
and I said, I'm getting bored. Please tell me a joke. Let me be the
I
first
remember
one.
that.
I'm a great
Yeah.
actor. So I started with that joke,
Ooh.
and that's actually a
So-
compliment if she said that, yeah.
So
Because she said you're a bad actor, and that's a joke. Thank you. Varun
Lovely.
Virat fan. You can say Varun Virat Pulkit fan now.
Okay, so there was another user, Manish Gandhi, who said, "LOL, you can't act, but you're smart, very smart." So what do you have to think that?
Okay, so is it on the same thing again? But yeah, anything would work, yeah. Any kind of time that you put in to either appreciate me or criticize me, I really appreciate that. Thank you for your time. You could have spent it with your girl.
Ooh, I like. Okay, third user, Ayat Mona said, we were meant to be together, but you refused to acknowledge my existence."
Yeah, and I replied to her. Do you know that?
Oh, really?
The next comment was my reply to
That's not a
her.
bad one. That's a.
Yeah.
No, it's just he
She
ignored
She
the
said we were
comment.
meant to be together, but you
He ignored the
refused to
comment.
Oh,
not
sorry,
acknowledge
you
me.
like that, yeah.
Yeah, no, the
Yeah.
moment I
Heartbreaking.
replied, I replied her. She'll be a proof.
How much you still
I'd
social
like to.
networking on these platforms and you keep that's quite hypocrite you are. Whenever whoever's on social, any of us on Twitter or whatever, oh my god, look at these girls, these gossip girls. Look at you.
But the girl
You
said,
just
Oh my
got
God,
together.
You just
Don't bring it on. Maybe I'm just not aware of it. See, I'll be just
I-
really surprised with these
The girl
comments.
said you
And now we know
together.
it. Now you dare touch any performance.
Okay, so I have two for you, Yami. So this user called You Know Who I Am said, "Why are you re-releasing Sanam Re?"
Re-releasing Sanam Re. Really? I think that's a joke. That's a joke.
That's your reaction to it?
Yeah, it's a joke.
And then I don't know if this is mean, but someone called Kedar said, "बहुत weak हो गई हो."
बहुत weak हो गए हो? Yeah, Sameer! You're very happy. That is a compliment. No, yeah, it's all about being.
बता दो समीर है कौन?
Sameer
यार
is-
समीर मैं डार्लिंग ऐसे नहीं हो रहेगी.
Sameer is my trainer. And no, guys, I'm not on any crash diet or any zero-figure diet or anything. But yeah, I think it's always nice to be healthy and I think a little leaner. So thank you.
Yeah, guys, I guess mean is not working here. Very positive set of people. Okay, so now another game. On a scale of 0 to 10, where 0 is
Zero.
no feelings, 0, to Jununiyat, 10 being Jununiyat.
Wow.
So for Pulkit, the first one is Yami.
20.
Ooh.
She's
Second.
a fab co-star. Yeah. Fab.
Love.
I think it's a blessing to have her as a co-star. And as much as she's been praising Hrithik, I think he'll be praising her as well for her performance, because she always surprises people and puts in a lot of hard work.
How sweet.
It was very difficult for me to match up. अरे यार ये फिर इतना काम कर रही है, मैं कर रहा हूँ कि नहीं कर रहा हूँ कुछ काम.
Very sweet.
That's very sweet. Thank you.
Okay, second being fitness.
Fitness.
Can I rate myself?
10.
Your turn will come.
10.
Or do you want to rate him on fitness?
Fitness, can I, like, I think 30.
Ooh, wow.
40?
Yeah.
Wow.
Mutual admiration.
No, I'll be honest, because I've seen him, because we almost 1 year we've given to T-Series and shooting all, none of, I think hardly we've shot in Bombay, either outdoors, abroad, or out of station and all that. But whatever time we used to pack up, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 in the morning, anytime, I used to see his trainer, again Sameer, so who was always on the set. He used to just work out in the gym. Anytime, anywhere. And even in Ladakh, I've seen him where we were struggling to even climb one step and walk. This guy used to just go out and just finish, make sure that his regime is always on, and extremely disciplined in this.
Wow.
And looking at him, I had to push myself for chalo yaar, bread छुपा लेते हैं थोड़ी देर के लिए, show up कर लेते हैं थोड़ा सा. So
Okay, so third one being bikes, Pulkit.
Bikes. 2020.
Wow,
Bikes.
you limit cross कर गए सब चीज़ें.
Yeah.
Okay, and fourth one being
Yamaha's the
women.
best.
Fourth one being women.
Women? 100 man. No, because I'll tell you, I actually read it somewhere, but it's really true. Like, there's nothing wrong that people keep saying that women equal this, that, all that stuff. That's all bullshit. Women can never be equal to men because they're far more superior than men. You give them anything, they'll give you something better out of it. You give them a house, they'll make a home out of it. You give them food, they'll make you a nice meal out of it. You give them your time and they'll give you love. You give them.
I'm giving one Mamta wale answers today.
Yeah.
I love Yami's reactions to everything you
It is
say.
nice. So women, yeah, 100%.
Are you capturing me or no?
Yeah.
Oh.
That's why I pointed it out too, so he can capture you. He's missing that out.
That's amazing, yeah. That's really nice.
Alright, so your turn now. And so first one being Pulkit.
100.
Ooh.
Guys, please, spot boy, don't make anything out of this, please. It's just in capacity of a good co-actor. And because obviously you spend so much time together, you travel, you work, you eat, you work. I mean, so and you get to know so many things because you can't fake. And if you can't be if you're not a good person, you can't be a good actor. So, and he is one of the most generous co-actors I've ever had. And I'm sure all his co-actors would agree, and future co-actors would also say the same thing in interviews, maybe much more, because he's just naturally good, only from me.
Alright, second one being fitness, which you've already answered. You want to answer it again for yourself?
I would say it used to be 5,
Okay.
now being pushed to junior. Courtesy, I think this entire year, there's always a time when you try and reinvent yourself, and I think rediscover yourself and try and figure out things, and there's always some things, important things which take a dip in your life, and I think it did happen, when I was like, theek hai, I was when you're a little laid back, a little relaxed and all that, but then I think since 2 years I really realized how important it is not to just feel, or not just to look in a certain way, but also feel healthy, and I think that gives you a lot of confidence.
Lovely. Number 3 being sweets. Food or
Sweets?
sweets.
Just infinity. So
Alright, number 3 being fashion.
7.
Okay. And fans?
Yes, I'm looking fab right now. Is it 10 on 10?
No, it's not how she looks, how she feels towards the whole deal.
How she feels towards the whole
Like
deal.
the fashion or like dressing up or all
Okay,
that.
awesome. Then it must be half maybe.
Yeah, I'm not really into
Yeah.
fashion. I'm very desi at heart. I just love wearing what I feel I should just wear. If I like it, doesn't matter. None of
So if you're desi at heart, you're not fashionable?
I am, but I'm not really mad about it. And if someone says you have to wear this because this is what will look good, and chalo. If I like something, that's what matters to me. Like,
So you don't follow the trend, you make the trend.
yeah.
Trendsetter.
No, I do follow it. I'm not saying I'm here to set a trend or anything. I don't think I ever have.
She's the trend setter and the trend shitter.
But
Always break it.
I like be comfortable.
Never follow it.
So,
The last one, fans.
fans beyond infinity.
Wow.
Alright, now next one is, so you think you know your movies. I want to know from interview, what was the location of the first scene of your career?
Yes.
Location of the first scene.
Jaisalmer.
What about you?
No, one thing. Of your career.
Jaisalmer.
Jaisalmer.
Why
Location
are
of
you
the first
meaning
scene
to
of your
correct her?
career. No, I
We're
was
like,
confused.
your career,
Jaisalmer.
First location of my career. That was these army grounds in Jogeshwari. Police grounds. Police grounds in Jogeshwari. That was the one.
How many songs did your first film have?
Five.
Filming?
Vicky don't know. 6.
Yours?
Count करना चाहिए अब तक she's getting the answer यार.
Is there a hamper?
5, 6 maybe यार. आ जाओ come.
Stop buying time. You have to tell me how many.
अरे मैं तो काउंट भी ओके फिर किक लग गई मन जागे
The
सारे
safest is 6.
कौन कहता है
Abhi?
5
Five?
6
Oh God, both of
5 or 6 6
So
5
approximately how many ADs worked on your first film?
I'll tell you. That's really sweet. 4.
Which film?
Vicky don't know.
Yours?
how many
They're
80s
really sweet, yeah. They're really sweet. Yeah. Your ADs are really, I think, one of the most, they're really important part of, I think, filming, and they just make it so easy for you. If they're nice.
like two 80s
2 ADs?
yeah
Filming?
I think one
My ADs, they thought acted also in Vicky don't know.
You have to name your film also.
Bitu Boss
You're asking first film? no?
Yes, first
okay.
film. Now, next one I think would be easy for both of you. What was the release date of your last film?
12th Feb. You didn't know that?
Yeah, he's lost. He's
confused now of your last film बोला मुझे लगा फिर से first film
Last
तो बोलो
film.
बता दो first film बता दो
12th Feb
First
First
film.
film बता दो.
the first film
Yeah.
क्यों last में question है यार
First film बता दो
13th April
Oh, okay.
19th April 2012.
how can it be 19th your film released after mine
No, your film came 1 week before mine.
हाँ तो फिर if I'm in 13th how can yours be 19th
अरे तो you're before ना. So
अरे
you're
but
30.
7 days ना Friday to Friday
You are wrong. I'm not wrong. I'm 19.
19th then I must be 12th April अरे say ना यार something else sitting there
How many on-screen kisses have you done till now?
None.
Nah, really?
me I've done none I only kiss the camera every time only
I
romantic
guess works for.
You
an
mean the
on-screen
DOP?
kiss, I guess.
yeah the DOP
So who choreographed your first song?
My first song, it was Let me tell you that song.
I was very lucky I got a chance to work with Jimmy Prakash ji in the first song
Which song?
that's in Kick Lagi
He's
That was the
just
first
been
time.
prompted, guys. As you guys must know
That was the
this
first
answer, okay? Yeah,
No,
I
I
got
can
to
never
work with
forget.
Jimmy Prakash.
Jimmy Prakash ji
Someone's-
fought for those
This
steps.
camera's not alone, you know, it's being handled. It's being mishandled.
So guys, I think they know their movies quite well, I guess. But it was such a pleasure being with both of you.
Thank you.
for your
Thank you.
time. And do you want to tell your audience anything about Junoon and the release date and say something to
It's
them?
releasing on 24th June.
June and June, it's meant to be. And you guys also meant to be in the theaters on 24th June. Not just on 24th June, but days to come. And you guys have already given us a lot of love. A lot of love, I think. More than that, more than what we had thought or we were expecting. and we hope to entertain you again with something new, with something fresh. And so I think celebrate your summer vacations with us. Yeah.
With Pulkit and Yami for you, and thank you for watching, and do look out for Junoon. Thank you.